Okay, so I'm going to go over a 3D sketch for, like, if this was a handle for a razor or a handheld something, right? So looking at this from the top down, oh, oops, this side, these sketches for the top and bottom are all on the same plane. So I didn't have to do a 3D sketch for these. They're just on the right plane. And then I made these planes. These are coming to a point. So when I did these sketches, because this is going to be a rounded bottom, I did a point here, and then I did this sketch and then made it have a horizontal relation, and then made this tangent to that. I mean, I could have done a horizontal relation, but made this tangent to that, so now it'll sweep around. They're two separate sketches because it needs to be separate guides, not one. It won't work. And then the point will make it so we can do a round end. So we got this, but how do we do these? Because you can't do a plane right here because it's coming out here, and you can't do a plane just this way because these are rolling like this. So we're going to do a 3D sketch because it's easier. For me, I like it better. Everyone's got their thing. Than doing the projected sketch or whatever it's called. Shoot. Man, sketch. When you have the composite sketch, when you have the sketch on the top and the sketch on the side and they merge. I like doing this better. So we're going to do 3D sketch, the spline. So we're going to click on this guy, this guy. We're going to do all these, make sure that the points are all where they need to be. So the trick, remember, is not to move the handles when you're in a weird spot, because things won't go how you think they're going. See how it's going way back? We're only going to move handles in direct views. So this is going to kind of curve down a little bit and swoop here. This guy is going to come like this. Actually, I think that's pretty good. And now we're going to look from the top. This is wonky, but we can move this and not have it screw up how it's going the other direction because it's only moving on this axis. This is very bulbous. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to get this guy along X. And we'll see how that looks. It just has to be tangent to the other side, so I'm thinking this will work. Okay, so let's bring that in a little bit. Might be a little weird, but I think it'll be okay. Okay, so now we are going to mirror this sketch, because we can, on the right plane, copy, and then just gonna do this collinear. I think that'll be good. Just do that to be sure, because we want a nice rounded bottom edge there. Okay, so you can kind of see the wireframe. Okay, so now we're going to do loft, of course. Feature, loft. Oops, no. Okay. Point. And then I'm going to do this outer here, clicking along the same. And then if I need to, I can just roll it down onto that point. I did that just because okay, that's good. I did that just because this guy was on there and didn't want to select that. Okay, so now we're going to do this guy. Oh, nope. Clear. See how it said both sides? Selection manager. Yes. Selection manager. Yes. Selection manager. Yes. Selection manager. Yes. All right. There's a couple spots that I would for sure